Hi everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to perform earned value analysis or EVA in Primavera P6 without using any financial modules. What is earned value analysis? Earned value analysis helps project managers track if a project is ahead or behind schedule and under or over budget at any point. The three basic components you need are planned value, what you plan to accomplish by now, earned value, what you actually accomplished by now, actual cost, what is actually cost to do the work so far. Even without real financial costing, P6 can calculate these based on the project's budgeted labor units and activity percentage complete. Let's consider this as a sample construction project with 5 activities. Step 1 is to set up the right columns. Open your project in the activities window. Now go to the view columns and add the following columns: activity ID, activity name, original duration, budgeted labor units, actual labor units, earned value labor units, planned value labor units, percentage complete. These fields will allow you to track earned value by labor effort. No currency is needed. Understand how Primavera calculates values. In P6, planned value is equal to based on the planned percentage of labor units at the data date. Earned value is equal to based on percentage complete multiplied by budgeted labor units. Actual cost is equal to based on actual labor units entered. If no actual costs are recorded, you can still rely on labor units to simulate project cost control. Step 3. Update the project progress. Set your data date to today's date, that is 27th April. Now update the percentage complete of activities. For example, site clearance 100%, excavation 100%, foundation 50%, and actual units as 38 as it is overrun. Slab casting 0%, curing 0%. Schedule the project now and this will auto-calculate EV values inside P6 based on the budgeted units. Now analyze your earned value. Now let's understand what the numbers mean. Suppose budgeted labor units, that's total 136 hours. Based on updates, planned value is about 72 hours. Earned value is about 56 hours. Actual labor units are reported as 78 hours. From this, you can calculate Schedule Performance Index SPI is equal to EV by PV. 56 by 72 is equal to 0.78. That means you are behind schedule. Cost Performance Index CPI is equal to EV by AC. That is 56 by 78 equals to 0.72. You are over budget. Your project is both behind schedule and over budget. You need some corrective actions. To sum up, you don't need real dollar financial modules to do basic earned value analysis. Use labor units and percentage complete inside Primavera P6. Focus on SPI and CPI ratios for quick insights. Regularly update percentage complete and actual units to keep your EVA accurate. That's all friends. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video, subscribe to dptutorials and comment below if you want more tips and tricks. And don't forget to click the notification bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.